Hello, this is Janavar. This is your Learn Ilonggo series. Let's talk about a certain time of the day. Like today is overcast. In Ilonggo, it's called Galom. However, it's inot, humid. That's why we're using the kuyab. This is kuyab. The verb is panguyab. And it's also called paypay or pamaypay, which is the verb. To further illustrate, let's take a ride on the LRT. I'm here at LRT Line 1. So yesterday and the other days prior, it has been so hot. It's overcast outside. So overcast means galon. Weather forecast for today is 27 and it feels like 10 degrees higher still because of humidity. And I had a bath, so I feel cooler, but those who have been already out there, it really is humid or inot. Act of fanning yourself is called panguyab. Got off the train and I'm getting off this train station at Central. I'm looking for a jeepney this time to get into UST. So that's all for today about the weather. Overcast meaning galon. Or actually, the more proper term would be magulugalom or cloudy, because galom is actually the rain cloud and magulugalom is descriptive of the state of being overcast, the state of having cloudy skies. So it's magulugalom with galom hovering all over the place. This is Jonah Vard and see you next time in our next video. Bye for now. Okay, now how do we get